Hello, once again welcome back in my class. Today I am going to tell about the electric field lines. Okay, let's see. Electric field lines, that means here I have written the definition. The electric field lines in an electric field is an imaginary smooth curve along which an isolated free positive charge tends to move. That means to say that suppose here is a positive test charge. This one, electric field lines emerging from like this smooth curve. This is the electric field lines. Okay. Here you are looking there A as the point. Electric field lines just emerging from a point A and going this one at E. This is the electric field lines. Okay. Then at A point is the stronger than E. Okay. There are some properties of electric field lines. That means electric field lines always emerging from the positive charge to negative charges. That means here is the positive charges just emerging from this Q point charge to merges in negative charge. Second thing, the tangent draw at any point on the field lines gives the direction of electric field strength at that point. That means this is the electric field lines. Suppose here tangent, then this field lines always indicating the direction of electric field lines at that point. Okay. Number third, no two electric field lines cannot intersect each other. That means these 2 points or 2 or 3 electric field lines cannot intersect each other. Okay. And this one, in uniform electric field there will be separate distance, equidistance from each other. That means in equal distance it will be covered. Then in non-uniform electric field it will be behave like this. Okay. This was the electric field lines. Next our topic is the electric dipole. Let's discuss. Next our electric dipole. That means it is a system of two unlike charges and same magnitude kept at some finite distance. That means we have to take two unlike charges, same magnitude. This is a minus Q and here is the plus Q charges. These charges kept at some finite distance. That means suppose this distance is 2a. Its point we can consider A, B. That means AB distance, it is a electric dipole. Okay. Then AB is equal to 2A. This is the electric dipole. Electric dipole. Here electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Moment, it is denoted by P. Electric dipole moment, that means product of charges, either charges and distance. That means this is the product of charges, any charges into distance dipole 2a. Q into 2a. That means our P is equal to 2QA. A is the vector quantity. Okay. It is the electric dipole. It is a vector quantity. P is a vector quantity. Electric dipole moment is a vector quantity. Our first we have to know about the electric dipole. That means distance between two unlike charges but same magnitude. That means to say that we have to take minus 1 coulomb charge then here also should be minus plus 1 coulomb charge. Suppose we have to take 2 coulomb charge, minus 2 coulomb charge, then here should be plus 2 coulomb charge. Okay, and electric dipole moment, that means it is a product of charges into electric dipole. Okay, that's a electric dipole moment P is equal to 2qa. Then the total electric charge is 0. How 0? That means our minus q plus q, it is going to cancel out, that's a 0. Okay, and electric field, total electric field is not 0, because previous topics we have already discussed about the charge, electric field lines, that means charges always emerging from the positive charge, field lines always emerging from the positive charge to a negative charge. That's the direction of this one, this side, electric field will be this side, and here also direction of this one will be this one. That means its total electric field E1 plus E2 is equal to, some numbers will be then 2 E1. Suppose E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E, like that. E1. It is clear? It is a vector quantity, it's a SI unit. You have to write over here SI unit. SI unit of electric dipole moment. P is equal to, our SI unit of charge is coulomb. A is the distance, that's a coulomb meter. SI unit of P is coulomb meter. Derivation is there. Electric field at a point due to dipole. There are two cases. Number one case is there. Point dipole is on axis. Number two, dipole is on equatorial or perpendicular. Let's us first we have to derive dipole is on axis. In axis, number one, we have to take a dipole, that means this is a minus q charge at point A and point B having the plus q charge. Distance of this one, that is the electric dipole, that's why its distance 2a. This is the electric dipole. Okay, suppose we have to consider here is the origin. Okay, from O to A point, that is the A distance. From O to B, that is the A distance also. That means A plus A, 2A. Right? And we have to find the electric field at a point due to dipole. That means here we have to find the electric field, suppose P point. Okay, distance between this one, suppose from O to this distance is our electric dipole, P point. Okay, this one, distance between center of the dipole to P, suppose we are considering x, this distance, Same over here, distance from B point to this one, that will be, that is this distance x minus a, this distance will get, that's a our x minus a. Distance of B to P, that means x minus a. How? This is our x distance, minus we have to subtract this one a distance, then this distance will get. Similarly over here, from A to P distance, our x plus a, this one, okay, this one. Here we can write, here AB our electric dipole, that is the 2A, okay, electric dipole. We have to find the electric field. Electric field at P due to plus Q charge, okay, that means our electric field due to plus Q charge is equal to our formula of the electric field 1 by 4 pi epsilon, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, here is the plus Q, divided by our distance. We for this one we will take the distance BP, that means x minus a to whole square. I am writing here electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Okay, in this formula we have to use over here, okay, for the plus Q. Suppose this is equation number 1. Again, electric field at, similarly, electric field at P point P due to minus Q charge, then E minus Q is equal to our 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, we have to use, Q is there, minus Q as a minus Q, divided by our distance, that means now we have to take A point to P point, distance our this one, x plus a to whole square. This is the equation number 2. Total electric field. Suppose E is equal to E plus Q plus E minus Q. We have to put E plus Q in place of E plus Q is equal to this one, and E minus Q, that means this one. Then our equation will have E is equal to, from equation 1, this one, Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by x minus a to whole square. There is minus charge is there, second equation, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, minus q is there, okay, minus q x plus a to whole square. It is right, okay. After that, E is equal to, our sum term is common, this one, that's why we have to take the common, q by 4 pi epsilon naught, we have to take the common, 1 by x minus a to whole square, minus is there 1 by x plus a to whole square. We have to calculate this one, then we will get q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. We have to take LCM this one. There is x square minus a square to whole square, then this divided by this one, then x minus a term will cancel out, this will be go in upside, minus is there, this term will become now, okay. After that, q by 4 pi epsilon naught, we have to use the formula a plus b to whole square x square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, a minus b to whole square, our a square minus plus b square minus 2ab. In place of a is x, in place of b is a. Divided by, for this one we will write as it is x square minus a square to whole square. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Our sum term is going to cancel out. That means x square plus a square. Here we have to remove this bracket. Then it will be minus. This will be minus. This will be plus. Then minus. This one, this term will cancel out. That's our 2xa plus 2xa. This will be remain. Okay, that means this will be cancelled out, plus minus. Divided by x square minus a square to whole square. Then our electric field is equal to q is there, q by 4 pi epsilon naught as it is. Okay, 2 plus 2, that is a 4 xa divided by x square minus a square to whole square. Since our electric dipole moment P is equal to 2 aq, okay, we have to use over here E is equal to our 2qa into 2x. Okay, we have to break this one for 2 to the 4, yes, divided by 4 pi epsilon naught x square minus a square to whole square. In place of this one, we can put the electric dipole. Okay, that's our electric field is equal to P into 2x divided by 4 pi epsilon naught x square minus a square to whole square. Then our x distance is very large than a square. That's why this term is neglected. A square, x square is much greater than a square. That's why a square is cancelled. Cancelling, that means E is equal to 2px divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. This will be x to the power 4. Then one term is going out, cancel. E is equal to 2p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught x to the power 3. This is the final result for this one.